must not be done. Jahvy, observe Alkaline, man. Remember, say Alkaline, are you to your rating of that? Take a page out and book, no man. Make sure we give the book. You don't see no business with nobody, bro.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them like?
I don't know one Media Fox pan happen. You see me? So Curly Locks found out, you don't know. He might call out Jahvy and he mentioned Alkaline and thing. You see it. And when me see that video, you know, people, say from the get-go when me hear the situation with Jahvy and Jeffrey thing them, cause me been a track the this and the back and forth with Jeffrey. You understand? From when 450 released a song and everything. And when we hear the situation, the first thing fall to my mind, I say I lose off of Jahvy. You know why? Because I remember when Jahvy did an interview and him say him learn a lot of things from Alkaline. And when I hear this, I say, Jahvy, you drop the ball. Because at the end of the day, you shouldn't in that situation. You understand? You should even near this situation. You see, adapt me as a people, to be honest. Him should have learn from Alkaline based on where him say, yo, him learn a lot from Alkaline. You see me? That's the thing, people. But 2 lakhs I got to tell you what go on.
Get a chance to kind of understand what must not be done. Jahvy, observe Alkaline, man. Remember, say Alkaline, are you to your rating of that? Take a page out and book, no man. Make sure we give the book. You don't see no business with nobody, bro. You don't see no give a fuck. You just use music as success and just f them up.
And you see it, that's why I try to tell you people. You don't know 2 lakhs them twins and twins. I mean at the business, music industry for years now. Seeing, and it's so funny that him see how Alkaline move and him hear all 1,000. Yo, people, imagine Jeffrey say something about Jahvy them. See, not even Jahvy, 450 them. See, Jeffrey are just one person. Imagine Alkaline where hundreds of thousands of people say something and the youth not give them 1 trillion attention, like him not give them 0.000 attention them get. The amount of people this Alkaline and the man just, it come like the man living in a world where there is no like the man not see nothing. And the man just all him own. Him put out him music, them say him fall off, them say him do this, them say him do that. Seeing people, it show you say, yo brother, the same people them will say nah, or same people them will say yeah, I go say nah. I saw it go a humans them. Same people them will say you fall off, get one hit song. The man say, yo, I might do it now, change them out. You just have to make the work where you put in, prove it. You see me? Attack me, I say people. So I see it, I say, yo, Jahvy, you should have known better if you not put yourself in that situation there. Because you say you learn from Alka. I see him thing me that say. I mean I talk to my bridging them, I say, yo, I see him thing, bro. When me hear the situation, I say, Jano, bro. You see me? How him get himself in that situation there. You see it? And we know the tension with the fall off artists and all of them look thing there. Brother, people are gonna say anything. You see me? I go say, remember Jeffrey call out Alkaline how much time, amount of time Jeffrey call out Alkaline, Some of the time Jeffrey all call out Alkaline and end up call Jahvy name, on the podcast, You understand? The man I say Alkaline no get no hit, Alkaline no gain no fans, everything. Alkaline no pay Jeffrey no mind. No mind Alkaline no pay Jeffrey, So that's what me I say. Him should have learned from the situation. You see me?
Alkaline, a batty boy. You know say this, you know say that, you know say red. Them on the red dog. This a man of that dog. This a man of rainy dog. Let's do it. You cannot give one flying but not a soul. The man has proved them wrong. And as soon as him find another hit, they never remember nothing what they say. And if a man quickly forget what them did I say and never really hold that opinion they choose, so why make a man opinion? Disturb you, it not real.
That me I say no people. You see? Whatever a man say, if you know what you know, that's just for him opinion. You can't make what people say get to you, brother. I tell you that the only thing For make them swallow back what them say, prove them wrong. So if you're an artist, do music, get a hit song, prove them wrong. You understand? If you're a carpenter and them say you can't read, do something with style, something make them prove them wrong. Everything, whatever skill you have and talent, and people are try to call you down, prove them wrong. You see it? That's all me I say. So when me see the situation, me I say, yo, at the end of the day, Jahvy no really have nothing to lose. You see me? Jahvy have things to lose. Him have artist management, him have contract with him sign, all of them little things there. Jahvy are just a podcaster. You see me? And remember, you know, a lot of times when Alkaline topic forward up, seeing like the album the other day. Album drop. I think before the album, the man them talk about it. And then the man them say, yo, some man get left a yard, you know. When they true, them never see Jahvy produce none of the song them on the album. You understand? Jahvy always talk something about Alka. Tribability the artist and everything. Alkaline no pay them no mind, brother. A years now. About what? 13 years now? Or more? Yeah. About 13 years now. The youth in a game. And the youth no pay 99% of them people. No mind. Them say him fall off, them say him a this, them say him a be-wash, everything. The youth just do him to normally, do him shows, put out him album, put out music. That's all the youth do. You understand? See there, the youth just there that put in the work, do music video and a drop some song and a bag of problem. You understand? So as me I say, yo, Jahvy should have learned from them thing there, brother. You see me? Because I'm there around the artist and see how the artist move. Him himself, see what I go on. You see me? Him see the fight. You see it? So him should have learned from that and say, you know what? We're not even in meds, we're not even go around that circle. I just loud certain things. You see it? Yeah, bro, we have a future ahead and 450 are gone. And maybe not have a hot song right now, but the youth are doing thing, I put out him work and him have him fans and we can do him thing on tour. Should I just focus on that, bro? You see me? You can't make what people say. So I say him should it in that situation. You see me? I just one of them thing there.
It's not real. And there's so many things we don't think about. When we are move off of just the raw energy and the anger and the feeling thing. And as we said, the whole of we fall prey to it. Sometimes I just try with best we manage.
Yeah, man, I say it, go, man. You see it? I see a brother forward out, so listen what I say. You see it? Yeah, man.
Because I see quite a few things that go on the media. I just want to address it real quick. So, after Alkaline releasing video on the 23rd of March, that's the Monday. This is the most anticipated album ever. I can safely say that. Everybody and them grandmother, them pitney, them everybody come forward and try review Alkaline album.
Yeah, and that's fact. Like, so many album releases, and it's like, we don't see nobody a review nobody album. But when Alkaline drop him album, everybody a review, everybody a say this, everybody a say that. It's like, to me, them people are to rate an artist like Alkaline. Them happy. Because them tune into everything where you do. Everything. And the one them where them so-called rate, it come like them not see them. You understand? It's a real thing.
Specifically, you have a few people from the Gaza. They came out, man, they run out quick and fast and talk about how the album are trash. Album now gone away. There's no hit song on the album. Now tell me this. You see the people them who don't have any musical credentials whatsoever, they are the ones who always try to pretend as if they are reviewing music when they don't know music. You have a look. Anyway, but I said something a while ago, I'll pull it back. You have this virgin on TikTok, where always lying in her bed with grey beard. Ever I chat about him chat truth. He couldn't speak anything further from the truth. He might run out, you know. He might the first one run out. Review Alkaline album and talk about a foolishness. And him get the album 5 out of 10. And there's nothing them hit song on the album.
Well, them can't say nothing now, because girl good gone. You see them man, they see some of the Gaza people, them you have to just understand, say, them don't really care about the music. For them thing a hype. A hype them run with controversy. Them not really meds music. That's why them not to buy them artist album. And the same youth where you talk, the same one named Ella Skip. And him saying buy album and not listen to it. You understand? I saw him saying buy. Him not listen to it. Them don't really meds music. Them listen music, forget something out type of controversial. I see Alkaline drop a song on him, Wet Hole for the girl them. And me I tell you, if you hear the man them, man I go on so over a song. The man them. And the man them take out one little line, not understanding the little line, you know, for run with it. You understand? Them want to take something out type of controversial they can run with. Them don't care about music. You understand? That's why them not too buy it, because them not care about it. You see me? I tell them already if sales did I go on pan controversial things or go viral, trust me, them buy enough.
Cool, him are the first one. As usual suspects, you know, from the Gaza. You know, Gaza Panty Plaza draws. Him are one of them. Yeah, man, the usual suspects, always trying to tear down and to start a narrative. We know them. Cool? Another one who me just realize them start the hate train again. Yeah, man, they were doing it for about 8 years now. Yeah, they have been tearing down Alkaline left, right, and center. They were on the Gaza. It seems like they were kicked out, excommunicated by Gaza. Now then jump on the Crux bandwagon and them still a try tear down Alkaline. Yeah, man, you must know who me talk about. What told them?
Yeah, man, him attack J area there, them, man. J area there. But I saw them stay, you know. Them only just make themselves look like a fool pan the media, you know. But them a do them thing. Them a try hold up make the crooks them have some little confidence in themselves. You see me? Cause them not really. It's like when them listen to Alkaline music, them a listen it. It's like them a listen it in a hate mode. You understand? I saw me see it, hate mode. You see it? It's like a feelings mode. Them a just listen to it. Alright, skip. I saw it go. Them not meditate, them not listen to it. You see me? I saw them stay.
What them? Yeah, man. The same man from over JA Radio. The husband and wife, them two Google back then. When the album come out, she keep on talking about how this is the worst album from Alkaline. See? The worst album. And how there's no hit song on the album. These people, they don't have any musical credential, and they are the loudest one on the internet. And that is what baffles me. I did music when I was in university. I studied music. You don't see me out here reviewing people's music, giving suggestions, recommendations, and tearing on people. But these people who don't have anything musically, they are the loudest on the internet. I saw a latest video from them because the first video that they did, you know, the album was trash. No hit song. No, him and his husband come back again. After about, oh, girl good bad. Girl good bad. It gone, it this, it that. And surprisingly...
You see it? And at the same thing, you know one video me I say, you say if you listen to what people say, you're not going to reach nowhere. The album just dropped. See? And when the album drop, them say I shaggy this, that. Them not give album no time. Yeah, man. I remember say, how much the album dropped last year? I never see them take up none of them album there and review it on them channel. None of them. Them don't even talk about it. But when Alkaline drop him album, everybody talk. Can you see sometimes when you hear people on the media and them get loud on certain things, it shows that things are going good. Because if it never that going good, them wouldn't talk about it. You understand? I just say it go. So make them go and talk and make them go and play it. Complain because it just run up them pressure. You see me? It just run up them pressure. Yeah, and we glad say the MPT album. Give them some content and make them can talk. Make them really actually have music to listen to, because it was all about buying this, buying that, way. It wasn't about music. So now them have music for go listen to and all of these things. You see me? Because music travel, you know. You see me? Music never expired yet. When you pass and gone, your music still about there play. You see me? Yeah, man.
I saw the husband, Wiz, pulled up the amount of time Girl Good was used on TikTok. And at that time, it was 120 something, right?
And Massacre's Bossy was 20-something thousand. And she, I go say, Bossy are still hit song. Hit song where? Bossy not hit yet. I'm going to tell that straight. Bossy not hit yet because me not hear Bossy in a nowhere at all. Girl go take over the whole place. IG, TikTok, everywhere you go, girl go run the place. Me not say Bossy nowhere at all. So imagine now, if it were the reverse. Let's say girl good was 20-something thousand and Bossy was 120-something thousand. You would not hear the end of it. You would have heard how Massacre kick Alkaline, how Bossy run this. But the fact that it is Alkaline leading both on TikTok, also on Spotify, they are still trying to spread the narratives. Hey, Bossy still a hit song. Bossy no hit. Hit where? Bossy no hit. Tell me where Bossy hit because that now hit nowhere. The only place that Bossy is outperforming Girl Good is on YouTube. And because there's a music video, I know sometimes people tune in to music video. And Girl Good is over 1 million plays. While Bossy, when Bossy was 1.8, I believe Girl Good was 1.3. And that's an audio. How many artists right now in dancehall can release an audio and get over 1 million plays? How many? You can count on one hand. And I'm pretty sure that Massacre is not one of them. And that is why him stick to music videos. Also, me actually area that about how Massacre always use some good production and his videos are this and Alkaline video them look cheap and Alkaline mean. Wiz, as a big man, if you have sense. You need to have sense. Massacre is a signed artist. Cool? He has Def Jam pushing him. He has Def Jam spending money on these videos. So when you come at chat crap, Zane, but how Massacre always I use the best of the best. Brethren, Def Jam pump money into the man production. But you make it look like about Alkaline videos, them not up to par. You chat madness. So again, the key message from this, people, what may I try to say? The persons without any musical credentials always the loudest on the internet. That's what I'm saying. And after they give their review, they're the same as coming back to say how the album no good. You can imagine that? The reason these people keep on refusing to listen to Alkaline's music, is because Alkaline is not putting his music the same way the others are doing it. It is different. The man in our own lane, the man thing different. That's why I do not accept the way he's doing his music. I can say the same thing for Michael Jackson. Which other artist was close to Michael Jackson in terms of music? Michael Jackson's music was different, separate and apart from everybody else. Everybody else. And that is what Alkaline is doing. The man music is full of substance. But guess what? Because you people, the haters, you don't take the time out to listen. Yeah? You don't take the time out to listen to the music. So you can give a fair review. But you start to listen to something and just shun it. Just because it is different from what you are accustomed to. Or what you're expecting, you didn't get it. So you're disappointed, they start cuss. No. What you need to do is to listen to the music. Listen to the message. See the impact it is making right now. Right now, Girl Good still at number 1 in over 10 countries. Girl Good still number 1 in over how much countries? Graduate go and good. So many understand how not talk about how the album not doing well. But then again, whatever you guys say is your opinion, it doesn't matter to us, the Vendetta fans. We expect you guys to come out crying and hating. So it is expected. Alright? As I mentioned, this was a short one, so.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, social tube, you see me? I say you go. Haters them and say what them want to say, you see me? But you don't know anything said. I just one of them things there, is it? As if it, Alkaline is very relevant to dancehall, so everything we him do, they'll get scrutinized every little thing, is it? Yeah, man, the artists not talk about them, but them talk about him every day. I just say things said, the haters are gonna always have something to say, you see me? But Alkaline just prove them wrong all the time, you see it? Yeah, man, but people, I want media facts, Yeah, man, and you don't know, as Alkaline say, we don't cater for the haters, you see me? We just focus on the papers. Yeah, you don't know, one media facts on the app. That is it.